Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to this video tutorial. As of the previous video, we have discussed the basic program structure of the Golang or the Go programming language. So here today, we'll be discussing further with the package of or the standard library FMT, in which I think this is very helpful in terms of printing the data any necessary informations. So without further ado, I'll be showing and discussing you all about FMT. So for example, we have this data um, point one, and then we're going to print this one, printf. Simply, if you put this way, um, you need to have a string literal in the string so that the compiler will understand what you are about to do. So for FMT, you can have it as string, this one, or uh, integer, which is D. Also, let's have it as string first. So have go run main.go. So you see, data is not string because that is a float. So here, in order to print that one, you can have percent f. Let's have let's try that one. You see that it's already being printed, but we have I think one, two, three, four, five, six significant figures here in the decimal side. So in order to control the number of zeros, you can actually have point and then how much zeros or decimal point that you want. So for example, we will have only two, then you can have that one point 10. So other than that is, for example, we have um for the string, like for example, we have the string hello fmt that printf string sent test. Sorry, we need to have a backslash n so that it will have new line, that one. So we have data point 10 and then hello. As you can see, we have this one. So this is called the escape sequence, wherein we wanted to have a new line before this string word. So we have that one, backslash n, and then the string is hello. But as you can see, that the string is being printed, but the double quotes is not there. So if you wanted to print also with the quotes included, you can have this one. Printf, let's have another backslash n string with quote, We have uh, percent um, x. It's not the correct one. This one. Sorry. Yeah, that one. Percent q. So there's so much more about the FMT package, but so far I think this is the very useful one. The percent s if it's string, percent q if you wanted the double quote inside, and also one last thing is the for example, we have it. Um, so for example, we have this one, hello struct, hello, and then the name is go lang basics. So if you wanted, for example, to print this struct, so you can also have the FMT that printf data is, let's try. Uh, Forgot to put the back session. You see that it's being printed without us making it converted to string. So here the v is value. It means that it will not have any certain types, but it will directly converted the variable that you have passed into a string. So here, this is the JSON string that we have. So basically, this is the hello JSON, and inside it is the name. So which is Golang Basics. So that's it for this video. I hope you have learned something new. And then uh, let's sync up with the next video tutorial wherein I will discuss or started the development on creating the um HTTP service, and then as well as I'll be discussing about data types. Thank you.